Hey guys, LT with LT Fit. Today I'm going to show you how I use Vid IQ to rank my videos and improve my videos. Again, today I'm going to show you how I use Vid IQ to rank my videos and just help my SEO on YouTube. So subscribe to this channel if you want to get more information on business tips, and like this video if it brings you value. This video I'm going to give you a look at what I use to help my videos rank better in YouTube. Now, if you're new at creating YouTube videos, you definitely want to use some type of program that's going to help you to do the right things to rank your videos and improve your SEO. I use something called Vid IQ, and the reason why I use Vid IQ because it gives me an SEO score, and it also gives me a few different action steps that I should be doing. And it's very easy to miss these things or not even know about them or not even realize how important it is. But VidIQ gives you a score for action steps and gives you a score for your SEO. So that means SEO includes your tags, your titles, also your description. It gives you a score for that. So that's why I use VidIQ. And what I'm going to do is I'll show you, I'm going to share my screen and show you how VidIQ looks when it's integrated into the YouTube platform. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, recently I've been focused on really building up my YouTube channel because, you know, YouTube is the second biggest search engine. So I really want to take advantage of it. I want to be able to get seen more, not just in Google, but also on YouTube as well. So what I have been doing is really focus on how can I improve my YouTube channel. And from my research, one of the great things is using something called VidIQ. Let me go right to, with a regular video, you have a title, you have description, and then you also have your thumbnails, and then you have a your tags. Okay, so with VidIQ, this is a regular video, but with VidIQ, you have this extra stuff over here as well, right here. So it shows you that out of 100, this video is SEO score is 50, which is pretty decent. I haven't been able to get it higher than 50, but before using VidIQ, my SEO score would be 10 or 15, but now it's at 50 because I'm using this program because I can do different things to help it out. Now, right here, this actually shows all the different action steps that you need to do with a video. So right here, I added a card, I added an end screen, it shows I added a playlist, and it shows also I added it on Twitter. This video I didn't share on Facebook for some reason, but most of them I share on Facebook, and I will eventually probably go back and share this as well so I can get a Facebook like. So all of this different things helps your video to rank better. Okay, now over here you see I have the tags, and it shows me a number of tags. I think YouTube without VidIQ will show you this, but it will show you the tags right here, and then it also shows you how many characters you have in your description, which is important because that's going to help your SEO score, right? So if this is below a certain amount of characters, your SEO score down here will be lower. And if you don't have enough of the right tags, that also affects your SEO score. So definitely if you're doing videos on YouTube, and if you're a fitness trainer, you definitely should be doing YouTube videos without a doubt because it's the second largest. So why not? If you want to be found by customers, you need to be on YouTube. Okay, so definitely if you're on YouTube, make sure you're using VidIQ. And matter of fact, let me go right here just so I can show you. If I go up here to, this is how VidIQ looks right here, right? I think the website is just vidiq.com, but you can have it where it's embedded right into YouTube. When you sign up for it, it automatically adds your YouTube account. So you can see it within YouTube, and then you can also go right to the website and do things with it as well. So it's L2LT Fit. I hope this helps. Don't forget, make these YouTube videos, but don't just make them. You use VidIQ so it can actually help your videos to be better as well. All right. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to this channel if it provides you value, and like this video as well. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a great day.